The Meitei Alliance has condemned the recent actions of the 10 Kuki MLAs from the Manipur, who on August 2 accused India's home ministers of orchestrating an ethnic cleansing campaigns against their communities. The 10 MLAs challenged the Home Ministry's decision to relocate 2 Assam Rifles battalions from Manipur, a strategic move deemed necessary by the military planners for national security. The Meitei Alliance has labeled those accusations of defamatory and misleading. According to the Alliance, the decision to replace the Assam Rifles with the CRPF is a standard security measures and not plots against any community. They argue that the MLA's claims undermines the credibility of the Indian security forces and are aimed at maligning the Home Ministry's intention. The Alliance also expressed disappointments over the breakdown of the Kachar agreements between the Meiteis and the Mak communities in the Jeribam districts, which has been marred by recent arson attacks on the Meitei homes. The Meitei Alliance has demanded that the Kuki MLAs focus on the action that will foster peace and stability in the regions. Founded in November 2023, the Meitei Alliance represents Meitei diaspora associations across India, Australia, the UK, Europe, Canada, the USA, and Nicaragua.